Okay, so in this video we're just going to have a quick look at what you would do if you have two inequalities. So you've got 2x is less than or equal to 3x plus 3, which is also less than or equal to x minus 1. So to solve one like this, the best way to do it really is to split this into two separate inequalities that we need to solve. So the first thing I'm going to do is take this bit here and turn that into one inequality. So I'm going to say that 2x is less than or equal to 3x plus 3. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the right hand side, so this bit here, and write that as another inequality. So I can say that 3x plus 3 is less than or equal to x minus 1. And I'm always going to do it like a little line down there and sort of treat them separately all the way down. So let's take that left hand column and we're going to solve that just like we normally would do. So what would we do? We'd say I'll take away 2x from both sides. So 0 is less than or equal to 3x. Take away 2x is just x plus 3. So that's the first thing that I would do. I would choose to move the x's to the right hand side rather than the left hand side because my whole, if you think about the last video that I did, I was trying to avoid having negative amounts of x. So I don't really want to have negative x on the left hand side and have that whole problem of having to switch the inequality. It's much easier if I just go to the right hand side and ensure that I've got positive amounts of x right from the outset. Then I'll take away 3 from both sides, so minus 3 is less than or equal to x. So I've now solved that left-hand inequality. I'll do the same for the right-hand side. So first of all, I'll sort my x's out. I'll take away x from both sides. So 3x take away x is 2x plus 3 is less than or equal to minus 1. So I've taken away x from both sides. Now I want to get rid of that 3. So I'll subtract 3 from both sides. That gives me 2x is less than or equal to minus 1. Take away 3, that's minus 4. And then I'll divide both sides by 2. That's okay. 2 is a positive number, so it's okay to divide by 2. It's not going to change the inequality. So x is less than or equal to minus 2. Minus 4 divided by 2 is minus 2. So that's my two inequalities solved. And then what I do is I just put them back together at the end. Let me just rub out that bit of the line there. So put them all back together. What do I end up getting? Minus 3 was less than or equal to x, which was less than or equal to minus 2. So I basically take those two strands and put them back together as one single inequality, just like I had at the start of the question.